Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video, Goalhorn reacting. Today we're going to be reacting to the Colorado Avalanche. So, I don't know why, but before I do the Goalhorn, I'm gonna give my opinion on the teams. I'm gonna just start with the Bruins because I forgot to do. Bruins, they're terrible this season. They're not doing good. They lost to the Flyers. They lost to the Lightning. So they're not going to win the Stanley Cup this year. Coyotes, they're looking very, very good. I think there's a chance, but they might make it to the ECF, the Western Conference Final, but they'll lose. Anaheim. Did they make it? No, they didn't. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think they made it. So, yeah. Sorry, Anaheim. What's the next thing I upload? Buffalo. Buffalo, are you even in? I don't know. Buffalo, Calgary. Calgary, I don't know if you're in. Well, I'm not sure. Calgary, Chicago. I think the Hawks are in there. I don't know how they're doing. And then the Hurricanes. I don't know. Avalanche, I don't know. But, yeah, I'm going to look after I make this video and see. So, here we go. The Colorado Avalanche Goalhorn. Here we go. Alright, I'm sorry guys, ads keep popping up, I can't do anything about it. It's okay. The 2017 Goalhorn was way better. I forget what it's called, but that song is the best. I forget the words. I wish they would have stuck to that, and I wish they didn't use the siren in it. But it's okay. It's not the best, but I don't know how I'm gonna rank this. This has to go 16. I don't know if I put any NHL team ranking at 16, but I'm not sure. I'll see you guys in the next video. It will be dropping. I don't know, but I know it will be today. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.